Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. I'm Chonok from Thailand. I'm science teacher at Ban Boy School, Yala province. As you can see on the screen, my topic is ubiquitous learning for students in 21st century. By the end of the talk, you will be familiar with how the students in southern most of Thailand use Microsoft programs to improve their learning. Ubiquitous learning is learning process. The students can learn anytime and anywhere and is therefore closely associated with computer, tablet or smartphones. Students and teachers can create learning interaction by using technology to assist in learning. Let's start with problem I found in science classrooms. My students have low affective because they are both lack of motivation and no inspiration in learning. Therefore, I create innovation to inspire students in learning, teaching science by integrating technology to assist in learning. The main objective of my innovation to increase affecting science learning achievement. I use the concept of PDCA cycle in innovation for the control and continuous improvement of process. To establish the objective of process necessary to deliver results in accordance with the expected output. I taught science by integrating technology into styles. I have divided my presentation into two main parts. First, ubiquitous classroom. Second, ubiquitous non-traditional classroom. Ubiquitous classroom. In this part, I will focus on three major issues. First, effective integration of ICT in science learning classroom. For example, I create a many of game using PowerPoint to play with 6th grade students. They play this game to gain science knowledge. After that, the students also create the many of game using PowerPoint to play in science class. Teacher is facilitated in learning students to create new knowledge by themselves. As summary, students make mind map of the learning by using Microsoft Word or PowerPoint instead of methods of paper. Here's another example where I create the process using PowerPoint for after learning review. Second, using tablet device in learning. I'm homeroom teacher in grade 3, where students receive tablets from Royal Thai government. I let students to self-study using tablets as learning tool. Students can learn anytime and anywhere. First, using the LIT resource for teaching. Teaching by using distance learning information technology resource is project in Office of the Basic Education Commission under Ministry of Education Thailand. And I make instructional media science-based learning using Microsoft PowerPoint for students. Ubiquitous non-traditional classroom. In this part, I will focus on three major issues. First, switching classroom learning science with Teacher C. Teacher creates Facebook group and Facebook page. Learning science with Teacher C for students to learn, comment, and ask something about science. Within classroom, they study science knowledge.
อุปกรณ์ที่เปลี่ยนพลังงานแสงเป็นพลังงานไฟฟ้าคือเซลล์สุริยะเช่นเครื่องคิดเลขนี้ใช้งานได้โดยเซลล์สุริยะ
STEM education. Preparing for ordinary national educational tests about science. One day, one question activity using Microsoft Excel. Second, ชนกนันท์ พัสโร YouTube channel. Teacher use Movie Maker to create video about teaching and upload its ชนกนันท์ พัสโร YouTube channel to distribute it.
น้ำที่มีสถานะเป็นของเหลวจะมีรูปร่างเปลี่ยนแปลงไปตามภาชนะที่บรรจุต้นไม้จะย้ายงอกงามเราพยายามบำรุงรักษารดน้ำพรวนดินถอนหญ้าใส่ปุ๋ยและฆ่าแมลงด้วย
First, creating quiz for increasing listening ability in tablet. Teacher create quiz for increasing listening ability using Microsoft PowerPoint and put it tablet to give to students to learn anytime and anywhere. Even after school, they can still learn at home or anywhere. Check. Teacher check and evaluated students' satisfaction surveys. I observed that students have enjoyed learning science. Action. Teacher could assign to other classroom students later and develop instructional media using ICT with more variety. In summary, after ubiquitous learning, teachers found that first-grade students have effective national tests about listening ability in 2015, which increased from last year about 20%, which is higher than national average. Sixth-grade students have effective ordinary national educational tests about science in 2015, which increased from last year about 3%. Before I finish, let me offer you one more. I have changed myself from teacher to facilitator because, in my opinion, I think that teacher does not only teach, but teacher is facilitator in letting students to create new knowledge by themselves.